Hi, welcome to Friday Frequency Decrease. Thank you for being here. I trust you're having a beautiful week, and today is Friday. So today we get a new decree from our I Am Adorations and Affirmations book. It is Volume 5, Part 1, St. Germain Press, and available on Amazon if you choose to get one. They're very reasonably priced. So today we are on page 54. Many of us may be coming in contact with other humans. Imagine that. Other humans and other human experiences that go on around us. And so today's decree is our inner protection, our inner remembrance of what's going on in us when we see, when we encounter, when we perceive other human experiences happening around us. So here we go. I am the presence that forgives and forgets all human mistakes forever and replaces them with the infinite I am perfection, eternally sustained in blazing glory and ever expanding. Wow, this is big. We get to forgive and forget human mistakes. Of others, yes, and of ours as well. And part one is forgetting, forgiving. Part two is replacing them. What do I replace all of that with? So here we go again. I am the present, forgives and forgets all human mistakes forever and replaces with the infinite I am perfection, eternally sustained in blazing glory and ever expanding. I'm going to tweak it just a little bit. I am my presence, forgiving and forgetting all human mistakes forever and replacing them with my I am perfection, eternally sustained in blazing glory and ever expanding. I am my presence, forgiving and forgetting all human mistakes forever and replacing them with my infinite I am perfection, eternally sustained in blazing glory and ever expanding. I am gifted, and so are you, with an opportunity, my opportunity, to replace what I believe to be true about other people with blazing glory, with I am perfection, eternally sustained. So my job is to take a look at my perception, my ideas of what I believe are going on, and realign within with my I am presence. So I breathe, and here we go again. I am my presence, forgiving and forgetting all human mistakes forever and replacing them with my infinite I am perfection, eternally sustained in blazing glory and ever expanding. I invite you and I invite me to see perfection everywhere I go, in every situation and every person, in blazing glory and ever expanding. Enjoy your week, and I'll see you next Friday.